Attributive nouns are fascinating little creatures in the English language. They're nouns that step into the shoes of adjectives, modifying other nouns while still retaining their identity as nouns. Think of them as the chameleons of grammar. For instance, in the phrase company policy, the word company is an attributive noun. It gives us context about the type of policy we're discussing, but it's still a noun at its core. Now, let's dive into some rules and examples to help clarify this concept. First, attributive nouns typically appear before the noun they modify. You wouldn't say a policy that is company. Instead, you say company policy. This positioning is crucial because it helps us understand the relationship between the words. Another example could be coffee shop. Here, coffee modifies shop, telling us what kind of shop we're talking about. You wouldn't say a shop that is coffee. It just doesn't work that way. Similarly, we have sports car. The word sports tells us the type of car, and again, it comes before the noun it modifies. Attributive nouns can also be combined to create more complex phrases. For example, computer science class. Here, computer modifies science, which in turn modifies class. It's a chain of nouns working together to provide clarity. Now, let's talk about how to identify attributive nouns. Look for nouns that are used to describe another noun and check their position. If they come before the noun they modify, you're likely dealing with an attributive noun. It's also worth noting that not all nouns can be used attributively. Some nouns simply don't fit the bill. For example, happiness can't modify day to form happiness day. Instead, we would use a different structure like a day of happiness. Another interesting aspect is that attributive nouns can sometimes lead to confusion. Take chicken soup. Is it soup made from chicken or is it soup that is chicken? Context is key here. In most cases, it's understood to mean soup made from chicken, but it's a good reminder of how language can be playful and ambiguous. Let's explore a few more examples. Garden tools refers to tools used for gardening. Music festival describes a festival centered around music. Fashion statement indicates a statement made through fashion choices. Each of these phrases uses an attributive noun to provide specific information about the main noun. In summary, attributive nouns are a unique part of our language that allows us to convey more information in a concise way. They modify other nouns, come before them, and help us paint a clearer picture of what we're discussing. So, the next time you encounter a phrase like book club or travel guide, remember the role these attributive nouns play in enriching our language. They may be small, but they pack a punch in communication.